Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this helmet in Maya. This is a very simple helmet. I am going to model it and then I am going to quickly texture it in Maya. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our helmet. So if you have more time, you can adjust the texture here. You can paint it little bit here. In you can paint it little bit here. Okay. So here is our helmet. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.